Hello, 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 and welcome to my nookery. My name's Linda, and today it is what do they call it? Something alert. My Yarnable, you know, I do get monthly subscription from Yarnable. Well, it arrived today, so without further ado, guys, let's get inside and see what I've got this month. I can't remember what it's called. Something alert. Oh, never mind. Whatever. So let's see what the month of August is all about, shall we? So it comes, they've stopped doing it in boxes, so it comes in a nice little bag. So, as you see, my yarn is in my little bag, and I've got, oh my gosh. So and I got a little a little organza bag full of goodies. So let's read the card and see what it says. Straighten your crown, it says, is brought to you by tropical fruit salad, suntan lotion and lazy weekends at the beach. The extras are popsicle soap from the Grecian Soap Company, hot and cold iPads from Prep Obsessed, pineapple wool wash soak by Soak, and did you know the Dole Plantation Pineapple Garden Maze in Hawaii has the record for the largest maze in the world, stretching over 3 acres. Wow. Wow. So yeah, so let's see what we've got. So I've got popsicle soap. Nice. So that's cute, isn't it? And then I've got the Pineapple Grove. That's the soak to put the, you know, soak my my work in. And then, oh look, reduces hot and cold pads, so reduces puffiness. I'll have to try them, guys, because my eyes are a little bit puffy, so I'll give you feedback on them. So that's them, which is nice. So let's see what colour. Well, obviously it's, ooh, citrus. Think of lime and lemons. Think of citrus fruit, guys. Look at that. They will make a fabulous summer sock, won't they? You won't miss me coming if I wear them. Will you? You won't miss me. But I love it. Oh, and it's so soft. So, Yarnable by Hypnotic Yarn. It's called Straighten Your Crown. A plush DK it is, guys. 85% superwash merino, 15 nylon, 246 yards. So I'll get a little pair of ankle socks, you know, like the socks that are made Jeannie from Butterfly Dreams, you know, the shorty socks. I'll get a pair of them out of these. I'm really into my socks at the moment, guys, really. I think I'll just continue doing socks because there's something quick and easy to do. Well, not easy, but there's something, you know, to do in between your big projects. So love. Oh, lovely. So that's my Yarnable. For August, guys, loving them. Need to try them out. Wash for soak in my projects, and a lollipop soap. Nice. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Oh, it's got a smell of pineapple too. So, thank you so much for watching today. I hope you're all well. Take care, stay safe, but more importantly, guys, be kind to you. And until the next video, bye-bye for now.